Good morning. Hello. I am behind the camera, so to say, this morning, but it is Jean with Captain Stitches, and I am just popping on to do a quick demonstration of the backstitch in embroidery because we are doing an embroidery stitch of the week stitch along in my Facebook group, which is Friends of Captain Stitches Quilting Stitching Bee. And you can find the link for that in the description box below. Always in all of my videos, you can find that there. And if you are interested in being able to access the files and everything that are included for any other stitch alongs, things that we are doing that have PDFs, files, that type of thing, those will always be available in my Facebook group. So you can click on that link, answer the couple questions that are required to join, and become a member and join in on all of that if you are interested. But you can also follow along here on my live videos on Friday morning afternoon from 10 till 2, say that correctly, which is where I do my stitch and chat in the form of spin off the good old-fashioned quilting stitching bee. So come and join me there. Check out and see the new format and everything where I do some stitch alongs, block of the month, crochet stitch of the week, things like that, and other things. But you can click on and find the information on that for one of the previous lives that we're doing that by watching the replay. Today, I just want to pop on and be able to try and show a better close-up of the back stitch because that is our first week stitch of the week, which is for this week. And all the information for the grid work that is on here that I'm doing this was in my tip demo Tuesday, this past Tuesday. So you can get that information there as well. But right now I am going to hopefully be able to get a view to where you can see how the actual back stitch is done. And I do have a line drawn here lightly with a fabric mechanical pencil. And this would be our start point on the line where I left off. And you notice I have come up about 1/8 of an inch away from my previous stitch. And what you are going to do then, you are going to go right back down in your previous stitch, bring your needle up from the back 1/8 of an inch from where you came up here, and pull your needle through. That is going to complete one back stitch. Now you are ready to just go right back in that exact same hole again. Again, come up 1/8 of an inch from where you came up with your thread, which I'm using Valdani size 12 Perle Cotton, by the way, and a number 7 embroidery needle. You can use the thread or floss of your choice. That's just what I am using, but I'm just going to continue to do a few stitches here. So hopefully it is in view. I'm trying to look over my shoulder. We'll hold it out maybe a little farther here, but going right down in your previous stitch, coming up 1/8 of an inch away on your line. Pull that through and just continue doing that all the way down your marked line or whatever it is that you may be back stitching. And I'm trying to look over into the camera and see that hopefully you are getting a good view of that. Going right down in the one that you just came down in 1/8 of an inch, and continuing doing that all the way across. I use my fingernail to force my needle to come up where I want it to. Do a couple more. Like I say, I'm hoping that I'm in camera view. Can't see backwards and over my shoulder is the only problem. So So that is the back stitch, and hopefully you were able to see how I was doing that. Come in again, do another, and I'm just going to go down this time, bring my needle up and leave it there so it is ready for when I continue on. But there you have it. That is the grid that we are working on, which will be the sections for each section will be 1 week stitch. So I hope that you have enjoyed this. I hope you were able to see how I was doing that back stitch, and will help those of you a little that aren't familiar with the stitch or just wanted to see it a little bit more up close and have a refresher on it. So let me try and maybe bring this up, turn it just a little so we will be able to, whoops, sorry about that, see me just a little so I can say goodbye, go over the particulars and everything. But yes, remember please to give the thumbs up if you're not subscribed and you are interested in my videos and what I show and teach. Make sure and subscribe and hit that notifications bell so that you will receive a notification when I do drop lives, other videos and things like that. So thank you everyone. I hope that this was a video that helps you and those that are doing the embroidery stitch of the week stitch along. Have a great week everyone. Take care. I will see you again soon, and in the meantime remember, I can keep you in stitches. Bye-bye, everyone.